Saroha, the latest project by Rohan Builders, perfectly situated near the peaceful and well-connected areas of Bavdan. Hi, I'm Sania Mulsandani, your host today. And today we're going on a 3 BHK home tour, which is designed on Plus Home concept, ensuring perfect ventilation, lively light, utmost privacy and smart space utilization. एक बहुत unique feature आपके लिए wait कर रहा है, which we can see once we go inside. So let's take a tour and experience it firsthand. As you enter, you'll notice a welcoming foyer space. There's a niche created here by offsetting the door, so you can create a storage cabinet there. This space adds to your privacy by blocking direct views into your living room and also gives you space to store your helmets, umbrellas and anything else. Instead of a narrow foyer space, we've slightly increased the width to make this a proportionately pleasant volume of space. Now let's check the living room. As you enter, you will be welcomed with ample light and air and nicely laid vitrified tiles. One amazing thing to notice is the offset-free wall over here. Without any structural limitations, you can design the wall the way you like it. The balcony is located such that frequent crossover movement of people can be avoided. Because of this, you can have a relaxing and uninterrupted TV viewing experience. इस डिजाइन से आपके घर का फ्लो और फंक्शनैलिटी बढ़ जाता है. The TV is placed on a wall which is perpendicular to the balcony opening, which avoids any glare from the outside. The TV points and the AC points are well planned. The sliding doors are centrally placed so that the curtains can gather well on the sides so that the room keeps feeling pleasant. Now let's go to the balcony. What truly sets Rohan Saroha apart are the breathtaking views that surround you. Most units in this project provide you a hill or a valley view. The hill being on the east side, you can have amazing sunsets from your balcony every day. Once you open the sliding doors, the balcony becomes a part of the living room, which makes it perfect for hosting guests. This balcony is designed for privacy, as it has extended walls and is covered on the top. The sleek railings not only provide you safety, but also give you a lot of light and air. Now let's go to the dining area. The dining area is seamlessly connected with the kitchen, making it a functional space. This way, both the areas are segregated and independent, but yet connected. This design not only maximizes space, but also you can serve hot food from the kitchen to the dining table, making mealtime so much more fun. इस एरिया में काफ़ी स्पेस है, तो आप easily एक 6-seater dining table fit कर सकते हैं. There's ample space over here for you to get a crockery unit or some furniture without making it super crowded. There's a rightly placed window over here for cross ventilation and natural light. The common wash basin is just steps away, so that the guests can have easy access to it post lunch and dinner. Now let's move to the kitchen. The dining area and the kitchen are visually connected. This makes the space look larger because of the open design concept. The kitchen has an extended L-shaped platform with stainless steel sink, which maximizes efficiency. The granite platform is large enough so that simultaneously 2 people can work here. यहाँ पे आप overhead cabinets लगा सकते हो for maximum storage. The dado tiles are extended 2 feet above the platform for easy cleaning. The fridge, hob and the sink are in a triangular layout for easy usage. Kitchen sink में solar hot water का provision दिया गया है, which will be convenient in winters. Electrical points have been provided for water purifier, exhaust fan and ductless chimney. This area is well ventilated and well lit as it's connected to the dining areas, living and the utility space. There's space available over here for a full height storage cabinet where you can store your everyday essentials. This wall ensures that the kitchen sink area is not visible from the outside. Now let's move to the utility space. Utility area opens into a well ventilated space which gives you ample natural light and fresh air. It is equipped with 2 electrical points for washing machine and dryer. Also, the kitchen platform extends outside to ensure your messy functions are taken care of. A separate sink with a drain board for washing utensils keeps the kitchen clutter free. क्योंकि ये space इतना well ventilated है, आप यहाँ अपने कपड़े सुखा सकते हैं. इससे your main balconies will be clutter free and the buildings will look nicer from the outside. This smartly designed area enhances the functionality of the home, making daily chores more convenient. A unique feature here is that the common wash basin is outside the common washroom, so that the guests can easily wash their hands after a meal. A smart space utilization strategy. Also, this washroom is very close to the common bedroom. The common washroom is designed with ceramic tiles up to lintel level, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. A false ceiling enhances the look and also the geyser point is concealed inside the false ceiling. Since आपका WC wall mounted है, cleaning the floor and the tiles beneath is easy. Wet and dry areas are separated by a tile drop, preventing you from stepping into the wet area first. Branded CP and sanitary fittings ensure quality and elegance. Now let's explore the common bedroom. So this room is ideal for elders and kids as it's very close to the common washroom. इसका rectangular layout है जिससे furniture placement आसान हो जाता है और आप usable space को maximize कर सकते हैं. The window brings in a lot of natural light and fresh air, creating a very cheerful environment. The sill height of the window is low so that you can have unobstructed views from the comfort of your bed. The below fixed toughened glass adds to your safety. A niche has been created for the wardrobe so that you can use the extra free space however you like it. What would have been taken up by the wardrobe is now available for your own use. Plus, it gives a nice touch to the building's exterior. The entry is planned such that there's additional space for your wardrobe, just so you can move around easily. The room is strategically placed on one side of the apartment, ensuring maximum privacy from the rest of the home. A covered attached balcony brings in a lot of light and air, जिससे room बहुत comfortable और airy हो जाता है. The room is equipped with two-way switches near your bed for your comfort. AC and TV points have also been provided. Now let's check out the attached washroom. वॉशरूम एंटर करने से पहले आप नोटिस करेंगे देयर इज एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस अवेलेबल ओवर हियर सो दैट द सर्कुलेशन पाथ इज क्लियर और आप अपना फर्नीचर भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. दिस अटैच्ड वॉशरूम इज इक्विप्ड विद अ काउंटर टॉप वॉश बेसिन, WC एंड अ सेपरेट शावर एरिया. वेट एंड ड्राई एरियाज को टाइल रॉप से सेपरेट किया गया है जो ईज ऑफ यूज को इंश्योर करता है. फॉल सीलिंग्स कंसील द पाइपिंग एंड गीजर पॉइंट्स, गिविंग द वॉशरूम अ क्लीन लुक. Also, all horizontal surfaces are lined with full body tiles, making cleaning super easy. High quality CP and sanitary fittings offer a blend of functionality and elegance. Plus, the accurately aligned tiles complete the look. The master bedroom is designed in a rectangular shape, जिससे furniture design और layout easy और effective हो जाता है. There is a structural offset-free wall over here, which gives you to do the freedom of interior designing as you want. The windows flood the room with natural light and fresh air, creating a warm and lively environment. The top half of the window is openable, allowing for ventilation. Additionally, the bottom half has fixed toughened glass for safety. The low sill height allows you to enjoy great views from the comfort of your bed. This bedroom comes with an attached washroom. Let's check it out. Durable engineered stone door frames add to style, and the branded CP and sanitary fittings ensure quality. वॉशरूम में काउंटर टॉप वॉश बेसिन, WC और एक सेपरेट शावर एरिया शामिल है, जहां वेट और ड्राई एरियाज को टाइल ड्रॉप से थॉटफुली सेग्रीगेटेड किया गया है, कंफर्ट और क्लीनलीनेस के लिए. The washroom is elegantly designed with ceramic tiles up to a lintel level, giving it a clean and a modern look. Right now, I'm in the circulation spine of the house. The branching layout makes it easy to access various rooms, truly making the most of the available space. And personally, I'm a big fan of neutral colors for the tiles and the civil finishes. This means that no matter what interiors you choose, it will always look great with timeless colors. So instead of chasing trends, it's all about lasting elegance. The homes at Rohan Saroha are crafted with thoughtful design from every angle. And with this, we conclude the 3 BHK home tour at Rohan Saroha. इस घर का हर डिटेल आपके कंफर्ट और कन्वीनियंस के लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया है, जो स्टाइल और फंक्शनैलिटी का कंप्लीट ब्लेंड है, all within the plus concept.